In this video, I will show you the trap website for massive traffic for your offer. It's totally free, right? All of these classified ads or traffics, I use this one to drive traffic, right? Because in this business, the more traffic we have, the better, okay? So to those who are new and have no idea, what to post, where to post, and you want do some faceless brand, you don't want to show your face, okay, this is great started for you, okay? All of this is, free. You can post your ads free, but they have some optional to upgrade, so it's up to you. So this one, number one is classified ads, okay? Number one, all you need to do is just click this one, right, to create ads. So how to create ads, it's very simple. I will not make video in here because it's very simple to do, right? So you just create account, then you can do it. Then number two, free ad forum, right? This is free, and you can also do paid ads, a lot of traffic in here, okay? This one, Craigslist. So Craigslist, organization, Adland Pro, you just click this one. Ad post, click this. This you can post free. You can also do paid ads like additional $5, and your ad will go right in the premium listing for I think 60 days, something like that. So Locanto, click here. American listed, okay, click here. UK classified ads, click here. All of this is from tier 1 country, right? Quick ads, here, classified ad submission. This one is paid, right? So if you want to do some here, they will post your ads yearly. We have monthly choices and yearly choices, so it's up to you. And also paid this one. I think this two is paid. Okay, so if you have some question, you can comment here below. So see you and bye-bye. Don't forget, if you are watching this one on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and like on my video.